Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs API in Python. So actually guys, first you will need to install the Python SDK or the ElevenLabs to your Python SDK, and to do that you will need to go with pip install ElevenLabs code. So it says right here, install the ElevenLabs Python package in your projects, okay? And with these codes you can do that. So whether you will need to choose that one or the second one. And if you want to use the default implementation of audio inputs outputs, you will also need the PyAudio extra, okay? So you will need to go with that code or the second one. And now after the installation we're going to move through the usage. So in the usage, at first you will need to import the necessary dependencies, okay? So like the OS signal, so you'll need to type these codes, right? So from ElevenLabs, that client imports ElevenLabs, from that website conversation imports conversation, and all of these codes. And next, load the agent's ID and API key from environment variables, right? So it's required both of these codes, and the API key is only required for non-public agents that have authentication enabled, so you don't have to set it for public agents, and the code will work fine without it. And then just create the ElevenLabs client instance with that code, and now they initialize the conversation instance with all of these codes, okay? So this is about the usage. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.